The Healthiest Food Pyramid. The Healthiest Food Pyramid emphasizes a balanced diet rich in plant-based foods designed to promote overall health and well-being. Here's a detailed breakdown of this pyramid. Foundation: vegetables and legumes. Vegetables and legumes, these form the base of the pyramid and should be the largest part of your diet. Aim for at least 5 servings per day, including a variety of colors and types such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, beans, and lentils. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting digestion and overall health. Second layer, fruits and whole grains. Fruits, aim for at least 2 servings per day. Choose a variety of fresh seasonal fruits to ensure a broad intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains, make whole grains your main source of grains. Opt for options like brown rice, oats, barley, quinoa, and whole wheat products over refined grains. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. Middle layers: dairy, proteins, and healthy fats. Dairy products include dairy products such as milk and yogurt, preferably reduced fat or low fat options. These provide essential calcium and other nutrients important for bone health. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Opt for lean meats and poultry and include fish at least twice a week. Eggs, beans, and nuts are excellent sources of protein. Focus on variety and balance within this group to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients. Top layers: healthy oils and limited unhealthy additives. Healthy oils. Use healthy oils such as olive oil in small amounts. These provide essential fatty acids and support overall health. Limit added salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Be mindful of your intake of added salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Avoid processed foods high in these ingredients. Additional recommendations: drink water. Prioritize water as your primary beverage. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Use herbs and spices. Flavor your food with herbs and spices instead of salt to reduce sodium intake and enhance the nutritional profile of your meals. Limit processed foods. Minimize consumption of processed foods high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible. Conclusion: following the Healthiest Food Pyramid ensures a balanced diet that supports overall health and well-being. Emphasizing plant-based foods, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats while limiting unhealthy additives will help you maintain a nutritious and enjoyable diet throughout your life. Incorporate a variety of foods within each group to cover the full spectrum of nutrients your body needs to function at its best. Remember, consistency is key to achieving long-term health benefits.